How to export iMessages from iPhone to PDF. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Open any chat from here and take a screenshot as shown. Then, go back and open up the Photos app. Find the screenshot you just took and open it. Then, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the Share icon. Here, you can view all the sharing options available. Scroll down and tap on Save to Files. Choose the folder you want to save them to and then tap on Save. Now, go back and open up the Files app. Go to My iPhone and open the folder where you just saved the photo to. Press and hold the photo and select Quick Actions from the options. And then, tap on Create PDF. As you can see, the new PDF file you just created will also be saved to this folder. Open the file to view it. Following these steps, you can easily export iMessages from iPhone to PDF.